Our experience with computers was spreadsheets and email.
And I was like, gosh, I really enjoyed working on the websites.
Yeah.
And maybe I should just make a website. And I didn't really even know how to do that from scratch.
You need a website. And so I bought a book on SEO and went to one of those template sites, and of course, and sit and watch, and then you get nothing.
Yeah.
You know, okay, I'll tweak a little more and sit, and I think I did that for about a month or almost 2 months of just what's going on? Nothing. And then that's when she discovered SBI on her site. She's like, you really should check out the videos.
Good morning. My name is Nori Evoy, and I have the website anguillabeaches.com. I have been using SBI to build my web business for years, and today we are going to explore how 3 other solopreneurs have built online businesses from scratch using SBI. We're going to talk to Kathy, who owns the site thankyounotesamples.com, James, who owns the site bestofoahu.com, and Steve, who owns the site growitorganically.com. Kathy is a stay-at-home mom who has built a site entirely about thank you notes, something that she learned how to write from her mother. James is so passionate about Hawaii, and he and his wife Grace have built a site around his passion and around his knowledge of Oahu. Steve lives and breathes gardening, and he and his wife Pat built a website to enhance and grow a local business where they grow and install organic gardens for people in the Bay Area, and it has just taken off. They are in high demand in the Bay Area. So we're going to go explore their stories and see how they have built online businesses from scratch. Let's get started.
We'd been working for Stanford for years.
Then there was a series of layoffs.
Right before the summer.
Yeah.
So I was excited. Like, I'm taking the whole summer off.
Yeah. Now's my chance for a break and to do something that I'm excited
and a real
about.
opportunity to kind of dive into it.
You guys hadn't built websites before or anything like
Nothing
that?
like
Or
that.
do anything online?
No real experience with that. And I would never have even thought to do it, to try to do a website at that point without SBI.
I just actually looked up how do you make a website? Like, where would I even start?
Yeah.
And I got a site site.
And you showed it to me, and I was pretty thrilled with it because I was like, well, this is good because this is a very thorough approach to getting this done. It's exactly what you want. And
it's just a roadmap, like do this
step
and
by
then do
step.
this and then
And so she was really worried about the expense. She was like, wow, it's $300. I don't know. This kind of thing. I'm like, it's nothing. Just like, that's a business expense. I mean, nothing ventured, nothing gained. You have this whole sophisticated, thorough approach that you're going to put someone through to know how to do all the steps to put a website together, but it's all hosted. You don't have to worry about it. The analytics are there, everything's there.
Yeah.
Google my site. That's Oahu. And Oahu, I came up number 1. Always like that.
I thought, okay, let's just put everything I know about gardens together and things that I would have been happy to learn as a beginning gardener.
You know, people would ask me, okay, I'm going to Oahu. Like, where should I stay? What should I see? What should I do? Where should I eat?
I was writing thank you notes, and she would check my thank you notes. And she told me right from the start, you can't start with thank you. So it was always a little sort of creative challenge.
It's so straightforward and such a step by step.
The instructions are so thorough that anybody can do it. There's no way that you will fail if you follow the instructions.
Exactly.
Like when we don't know how to do something, I just go SBI, do the find it and search for the keywords, and then sure enough, there's already tips on it, total forum chats dedicated to that one particular thing. And then if you still don't find the answer, you can go and email tech support.
First, I just started thinking about thank you notes, and then it's the brainstormer that led me to go, oh my gosh, I could do all of these things, and not just knowing that you could do them, but like how to set your priorities. Like a lot of people want to know about how to write a donation thank you note.
So in the beginning was a lot, right? And I had the time. Again, it was between jobs. This is my office right here. Start going through it, and sometimes it's like watching paint dry. Create a great page, you throw in there like, okay, what's going to happen?
Why aren't there 100,000 people looking
it's like,
at it right
wait,
now?
like I got the best page here on this beautiful beach that I just wrote about. And so it's just like, just keep writing. Just keep going, having faith and keep going forward.
I mean, like, you're getting like 100,000 visitors a month. Like, I mean, that is insane.
I know.
That is
And I'm so glad. And I feel like, oh my God, I made it here.
Yeah.
It's almost like just having an investment somewhere that's just paying out continually.
And
at this moment.
Exactly. Yeah.
We're out here talking now, and there's people still hitting the site without us doing anything.
Exactly.
Continue,
It's passive income.
Yeah.
Nothing stops. Everybody continues to visit the site. It's a new income that we didn't have before. It's paying for the vacations that we take over there.
Yeah.
Literally. And the funny thing is, like, okay, well, what's next? You know, AdSense, and that's the easy hanging fruit. But then definitely have other things now that I want to develop for monetization and creating own products and saying you got an audience. So like having a store and having 3,000 people come through daily.
Exactly.
Those eyeballs. And I think those are the exciting moments that keep you going.
The website was really good because it looked polished. It looked like we knew what we were doing. So it was kind of a credentialing thing. And then word of mouth after that. And now it's just, we've gotten more and more efficient so that we could do more gardens, but we're sort of at the limit of what we can do. And so we got to just tell our clients this fall is that we really appreciate the vote of confidence, but please don't recommend us to your friends. Next is getting ready for retirement. There's these Sprinter vans that you can modify now. It's just a shell van. We love national parks, traveling, and camping.
And so you guys are just gonna hit the road and
we can do workshops in different cities. We can put that together through the website
and social media.
And we like do tours. We're gonna be in the Houston area. If you want us to come over and troubleshoot your garden,
That's cool. Yeah, it fits that perfectly because it gives you the freedom to go where you want to go.
What's next is a van down by the river.
Oh my God.